Hey, we are still in New Hampshire, and we are going to head to the Lost River. It's like this hiking area. It has some caves and stuff, so that might be pretty cool. Also, I cracked my GoPro screen. It's kind of annoying. 2 other friends of mine will be coming up, so gonna be even more fun. All right, see you there. It says, the current boardwalks at Lost River has been labeled nothing less than a work of art. I have to fit under that. Hold on. You have to crawl on your stomach. No. Oh, I thought I dropped a GoPro thing. We're good.
24 hours later.
So we were planning on going outside today, and then this happened. So we're gonna be inside for a while.
Several days later.
So I'm not sure if you can tell, but we're tubing right now. Yesterday I actually tried to film some of the mountain biking we did. It was a lot of fun. The problem was the footage was terrible, as you can see, but and also the GoPro like fell off, so we can't use that obviously. But we'll probably go mountain biking sooner or later. Anyway, back to tubing. Toe reveal. All right, if you die, at least I want it to be filmed. So right now we're at this beautiful place we just saw, and we're gonna get food and we're gonna go hiking. Just so you know, I don't like hikes very much. I'm only here because everyone else is coming, so. Like, in the cloud. And there's the end. Oh, and I just realized we have to hike all the way down. Oh my God. I'm actually going to end the vlog here. The next vlog right after this, we're going to go ziplining and possibly mountain biking. So that's going to be a lot of fun. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you had a great day. Bye!